We're going to do a little walk around the bug today. Show you what we've been working on. Working on replacing all this stuff here. Got some tools down in there, but we replaced all this. We replaced the side because this had damage in the front from a accident, I believe. So we still got to weld this all on. I got to finish welding this up here. I haven't finished this yet. Got to do a little bending and tweaking to get this where we want it, but we got this all welded down here. We got it all spot welded onto here. So this is all nice and stiff. Got the doors back on because the door hinges were bad on this door, so we had to take them apart. I had to replace that one with a brand new one. This one here, I just had to get the pin drove out. And then once I got the pin drove out, I was able to get it together. She lines up pretty good. She looks like the doors are good. So we should be good there. And over on this side, we got this door back on. I need to do a little bit more work over here. Make some adjustments. I don't know if this door got damaged because it seems like it's dented right there, but I can't tell for sure. And inside here, you can see we got a pretty clean, and we had to replace this here because this one wasn't rusted out up here, but it was rusted out in the back. So we had to replace that. And then the only real rust on the inside is right in here. So we got a piece that we're going to put in there, and we should be able to get that back together. And then we just need to clean up a little bit on the inside, and then we should be able to put it back together. We should be able to get the body back onto the chassis in about 2 weeks, I think. And we'll keep you posted on that. Other than that, that's all we've been working on this week. We had to take a hinge off this door. We got some extra parts with this car. We got 2 extra doors. As you can see, this one here was rusted. I had to take it off. And we're gonna have to probably replace all the window regulators and stuff because they don't seem to work very good. So we'll probably just replace them. They're only like 50 bucks a door, so we're better off just replacing those. You can see that one over there. Got the hood on. The hood lines up pretty good. So, but that's what we've been working on this week. So far this week. We got other stuff we're working on, but this is what we've been working on lately. Should be able to get the body back on pretty soon. And I will post that when we do. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. All right. Bye.